with the vision right, skills to empower futures lie. In Kenya schools we're on the rise, our dream takes flight to new heights. Oh, we're climbing step by step, building future strong and set. CBET, changing lives anew. In CBET, watch us break through.
Today, Frockel Show is going back and revisiting the CBET principles. You remember earlier on, Frockel Show presented the 7 CBET principles that are supposed to be applied when you are teaching students who are in technical institutions in a CBET approach. And today I want to just go deeper into not just mentioning the principles, but giving the details of what is involved in each of those principles. And to start with, I will start with the CBET principle, which is industry alignment. When you talk of CBET training being industry aligned, this refers to the strong connection between competency-based education and training CBET programs and the skills required by industries or employers. And the goal is to ensure that the competencies taught in educational programs are directly relevant to the demands of the workforce, allowing learners to be job ready upon completion of their studies. And here are some of the key aspects of CBET industry alignment. Number 1, we have industry-informed curriculum design. In order to ensure that we are applying that principle of industry alignment, it means we have to design our curriculum with the industry approach. CBET programs are often developed in collaboration with the industry stakeholders, including employers, industry experts, and professional organizations. This ensures that the competencies taught are up to date and reflect the current and emerging needs of the job market. Then there is what we are calling competency mapping when you are developing the curriculum. And occasional programs identify and map the competencies that are essential for specific industries or roles. This helps ensure that learners are trained in the skills that employers seek. And the question is, are our curriculums industry-based? And a strong answer is yes, because we've already developed the occupational standards in collaboration with the industries. Then the other thing, or the other aspect of industry alignment, is to do with workplace-ready skills. The goal of the CBET is to ensure that the learners acquire the practical skills they need to perform effectively in the workplace. And this includes both technical skills in G, operating machinery, coding, and soft skills in G, communication, teamwork. By focusing on real-world applications, CBET programs align directly with job requirements, reducing the gap between education and employment. The other aspect of industry alignment has to do with employer partnerships. Collaboration between educational institutions and industries is essential to ensure CBET programs are relevant. These partnerships often involve joint curriculum development, internships, apprenticeships, and on-the-job training opportunities. Employers may also provide feedback on the competencies being taught to ensure that the learners are equipped with the skills they need to be successful in their roles. The other aspect is flexible and responsive education. CBET competency-based approach allows for CBET competency-based approach allows for flexibility in terms of learning pace and progression. This is important for industries that need to upscale or reskill workers quickly due to technological advancements or changing market conditions. If industries experience a shift in demand for certain skills, CBET programs can adapt quickly to update competencies and learning outcomes, ensuring learners are prepared for the latest standard need. Ensuring that learners are prepared for the latest industry needs. The other aspects of industry alignment is assessments aligned with industry standards. CBET programs incorporate assessments that are designed to measure learners' ability to their skills in real-world job-related contexts. These assessments are often structured to mirror industry standards and practices, helping to ensure that learners can perform tasks that are directly relevant to their future roles. Industry certifications is a requirement. Many CBET programs are aligned with industry-recognized certifications, making learners more competitive in the job market. These certifications are often seen as a guarantee that the learners possesses the skills that employers require. And then number 6 is workplace experiences, or what we call internship or apprenticeships. Many CBET programs include hands-on learning opportunities such as internships, apprenticeships, or practical placements. And these experiences are not only reinforcing the competencies being learned, but also allow learners to immerse themselves in the workplace culture and network with potential employers. Industry projects. Some programs integrate real-world projects from industry partners, giving learners practical experiences and employers the chance to evaluate potential future employees. And number 7, we have continuous feedback and adaptation. As industries evolve, CBET programs need to continuously gather feedback from employers to adjust the competencies taught and improve the training process. This might include regular surveys, focus groups, or advisory committees with industry professionals. Then there is ongoing professional development. Even after completing the program, the learners may engage in lifelong learning, CBET facilitating continuous learning certification. Then, number 8, there is enhanced employability. Because CBET focuses on skills that are immediately applicable to the workforce, graduates are often seen as more employable by employers. The alignment with industry needs increases the likelihood of graduates being hired, or they already possess the competencies that employers are looking for. CBET emphasizes on job readiness and is especially beneficial in fields with high demand for specific skills such as healthcare, information technology, engineering, and trade industries. And lastly, number 9, CBET systems often include mechanisms for recognized prior learning and work experience. This allows learners who have acquired relevant industry experience to gain credits or advance more quickly through the program, ensuring they are repeating training they are already received. This recognition helps industries by ensuring that workers are continuously upskilled and can move through education efficiently, filling skill gaps as quickly as possible. And lastly, we mention the benefits of this CBET principle, industry alignment. In other words, what are the benefits of being industry aligned? Benefit number one is for employers. Direct access to a talent pool with the exact skills they need. Reduced need for extensive on-the-job training because new hires are already competent in critical areas. There is also improved workforce efficiency and productivity. And then the second benefit is for learners. Higher employability due to their alignment with industry demands. Most relevant and practical education that directly prepares them for specific roles. And then access to certifications and credentials that are recognized by employers. And the last benefit is for educational institutions. Stronger relationships with industries which may lead to new funding, job placement opportunities, or collaborations. There is also a better reputation for providing relevant, high-quality education and leads to job markets. In summary, CBET industry alignment ensures that educational programs are tightly coupled with the evolving needs of industries, producing skilled and employable graduates who are ready to contribute to the workforce immediately after their training. Thank you so much for listening to Frokil Show. In our next presentation, we are going to present the next CBET principle, principle number 2. Thank you so much, and continue viewing Frokil Show. Consider also subscribing to the channel so that immediately we produce these videos, you get an alert. Thank you so much.